Most teams in downtown San Francisco contain television. Collaboration, countries that have the resources and ability to spend more time doing it.
Local transportation is one of those teams. With 70 plus acre headquarters in Dothan, South Carolina, is a state-of-the-art facility that employs over 400 people. Building these cars is a full-time operation. Each one is built from the ground up with fixed-out teams. And the cost tag for one of these 800 horsepower monsters comes in around $300,000. It's an expensive sport, but a one car can make millions of dollars for its owner and sponsor. The competition is fierce, and pressing the man to save seconds off his pit time is serious business.
In our sport, not only do we have for teams, talent, we have a way of training for athletes on various abilities to do and sometimes races are very much pilot stuff and not restricted. It is really motivated to do so it's important for us to make sure that we have good systems.
Competitive races have made the cars faster than ever, and the same has happened with pit time.
Over the past 10 years, pit stop times have dropped dramatically, and there are a lot of reasons for that. There's been a focus on timing and the competition of pit stops. Those team times dropped from 18, 17, 16 to the 14, to the 13. 12-second stops are very common. 11-second stops have been common.
Faster airborne and lighter gas have helped achieve these lower pit times.
It's hard to get into all of the things that have happened, and the limit is actually by the person, the physical person itself doing it.
Pit crews need explosive tires and quick reflexes to stay competitive, so Max Taylor starts on the team.
We have a full body approach to what we do. We look at individual examples of things as well as the body as a whole. So what we do is take these guys, look at their body structure, design programs for them that will maximize strength, agility, and endurance. Because what we do most of the time is explosive, quick, and power our bodies out to make this motion work.
In addition to the gym, Matt runs himself practice drills several days a week in a day-long playhouse out on the ground. This is where he uses the high-speed cameras to monitor every move the pit crews make.
There's so many variables that can happen in this sport. One most variable would have been a lot of the work done in the competitive areas doing time. From burnout, short stuff, and how to slow it down, how to take time. We're able to look at the very minutiae of what we do in a pit stop to be able to see where we can make how we can do performance and driving areas of weakness.
The crew pulls up